winner take all. And the race is on, nice and easy. Fast to begin, Pure Energy. Rushing up Sunday Street, Manila Smile, Dugus Charm, and Typhoon Doding. Pure Energy, nice and easy. In between runners, Sunday Street, Manila Smile. Dugus Charm, racing in fifth by Drell and Typhoon Doding. Pure Energy, nice and easy, is racing on the outside. Sunday Street is close third. Manila Smile racing in fourth. And rounding the far turn, Pure Energy by a neck. And nice and easy is racing up on the outside. Pure Energy, nice and easy is on the outside. And racing in third is Manila Smile, Sunday Street. As they race the final corner, Pure Energy this time by a length and a half. Nice and easy on the outside. Manila Smile down on the inside. Pure Energy, Manila Smile is moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Manila Smile, Pure Energy, Dugus Charm also rushing up. Manila Smile, Dugus Charm, and finally Manila Smile, Dugus Charm. Pure Energy, Typhoon Doding, nice and easy, and Sunday Street comes last.
53146